Okay, so today's lesson is 10.4, area of a triangle and trapezoid. So the base of a triangle can be any size. So looking at this example here, this is a triangle, and you have the base be on the bottom. The height of the triangle is perpendicular, distance from the base to its opposite. Perpendicular means it is vertical, straight up and down, and you will usually see a right angle. So this would be your height. So the formula for a triangle. So now we have another formula. A is equal to 1/2 BH. Remember that we had said that a parallelogram is BH. So now if you cut the parallelogram in half, that's where you get the 1/2 is equal to BH. So let's look at the first example. First you write the formula. A is equal to 1/2 BH. Replace your numbers that you have. A is equal to 1/2 times base is 4 or 9, so 9 over 1 times 4 would be 4 over 1. Okay, now look at it. Is there any numbers that you can cross reduce? Yes, this is 4 and 2. Then you multiply cross. 1 times 9 times 2 is 18, and over 1, so it'll be 18 meters squared. Don't forget the meters square. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2 says you have to figure out which one is the base, which one's the height, and which number you don't need. If you have a right angle right here, this is going to tell you that this is the base and this is the height, or it could be the base is here and the height's here. It doesn't really matter which one you use. So here's your formula. A is equal to 1/2 BH. A is equal to, now remember you look at for the right angle, 1/2 times 7 over 1 times 5 over 1. Multiply across, you get 35 over 2. And then you divide that by 2, and you get the answer of 17.5 inches square. Right, here's another formula, area of a trapezoid. So area is equal to 1/2 H, which is 1/2 height, times B base 1 plus base 2. You need to memorize that. So here's 1/2 height. Remember, it's vertical, straight up and down with the right angle. Is your height, and base 1 plus base 2. Base 1 is usually your smaller one. Base 2 is usually a bigger one. So look at number 1. So it said, write your formula. A is equal to 1/2 H base 1 plus base 2. So area we don't know. So 1/2 times base 1, or height, is 6, so it'll be 6 over 1. Parentheses, base 1 is 3, plus base 2 is 7. Okay, remember order of operation tells us we have to do parentheses first, so it's be A is equal to 1/2 times 6 over 1 times 10 over 1. Anything you can cross reduce? Yes, you can do 1 and 3. And the answer is 30 inches square. Try number 2 on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play. Okay, so you should have had A is equal to 1/2 H, parentheses base 1 plus base 2. Replace what you know, so A is equal to 1/2 times H is 5, remember it's vertical, so it'll be 5 over 1. Times base 1 is 2 plus 7. So it would be A is equal to 1/2 times 5 over 1 times 9 over 1. Anything you could cross reduce? No. So the answer would be A is equal to 45 over 2, and that put it in mixed number would equal A is equal to 22.5 millimeters square.